up, guys? Back to another YouTube. Oh, shit.
Oh,
back
to
to
want to be goofy. All right, whatever.
No.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Now he's
Oh, you look
all
mad goofy. Go. Oh no. Oh, you're more scarier than that monster. Go.
What does this look like?
His name was Balls. I swear on my life his name was Balls. I'm being dead serious, his name was Balls. I'm being dead serious.
Like, go over there? What does this look like?
He's literally right there.
Watch out. Look, what does this look like? Oh my... Wow!
I swear on my life his name is Balls. See, it's Balls!
His name for me was dead.
Oh. How are you supposed to...
Monkey. Get your blackjack out of here.
Move your orangutan.
Get your bike orangutan.
Move orangutan.
Oh,
You're still on my card. It's my monkey. It's my monkey card.
I wonder if there's
I'm 34. What the?
32 yet. Ow, you hurt me.
I ain't even do nothing, you.
You're about to make me fart.
Bro. Family friendly.
Family friendly.
Go.
What?
Ooh, Fortnite balls.
No, actually, oh god, that wasn't me. That was my soundboard.
Come on, monkey. Wait, I didn't grab the mixtape.
I didn't grab it either.
Wait, hold on. He can go in there now!
Yes, he can. Look, we can blink. Look at me, we can blink.
How? How do you blink?
You're blinking too. That's how they made the game now. I don't like it.
What button do you press?
You don't press any button, it's automatic. You stupid monkey, you thought I was over there. This is totally out of place, it's just a red ball.
Alright, what are we supposed to do?
You know what to do, you're dumb.
No, like...
Oh, he's over there.
I know what to do, but like... Wait, our hearts are beating.
Heartbeat now. I still
Remember the rainbow monkeys? Oh gosh.
I'm about to say the word.
You can't.
The LGBTQ people.
Yeah, just say no. I'm gonna just say for the title, the monkeys are back.
The monkey. Oh, I almost said it. What are you scared of?
The monkey bananas are back.
Bro, ever since my heartbeat started going in the game and everything, I hate this game. Where are you?
Sorry.
These little kids are scared.
Oh, it's 9:47. I have to get off in like 12 minutes. Hey, monkey. It's you. It's your twin brother.
Get your...
Well, let me pick you up. Imagine if I could... Run. I'm faster than you, just...
Where you going?
Oh boy, you ready?
Alright, I want to see if they're still there. They are still there.
They're still here. Be prepared to run for your life.
Yeah, screw that. No, I'm not going over there. Actually, I might.
How about this? We both go.
That was a little too close. Nope, I'm done. Run! Oh, he's right behind you. Ow!
Oh.
Oh my god.
The monkeys are back, bro.
Hi. Huh?
Watch you die. I still have my Cheeto Puff in my hand.
That's cool.
I wanna snap.
I didn't even mean to die.
Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Right into
The juke of the century, watch.
You're gonna miss.
Ow!
Never mind. Bro, how'd you just do that?
No one has questions, just answer them.
No man's just facing the wall and
How about this? 3, 2, 1. Bro, I got stuck on the wall. Oh, you devious monkey. Oh my god. Man, you died too.
Devious. Devious. The most best juke of...
Man, you're trash at juking. Doggy water.
Messed that up
Trash.
so
Pew, pew, pew.
You wanna know what you look like? You're all like... You're so trash.
And this is what you looked like that time.
Look, you're all like, you're so trash.
Oh, look, this is how you do it. You're so trash.
Nah, bro, it's like this. Trash.
Oh no, do you want to go that way? Alright, hold up.
No.
You're so trash.
Stupid monkey. I'm not here. I'm a statue.
Alright, you ready?
Look, I'm a statue.
You ready?
I said I'm a statue. Where'd you go? Ooh. Look, I'm a statue.
We better look up quickly because it's 9:51.
Oh shoot. 54?
55.
55?
By your voice cracked.
You wanna do 55?
Go! No, 56. How about that?
Okay. Can you still call on your phone or no?
No. After she come to check on me.
Okay.
Cause I already got 3 days of ISS. Oh.
I died. Oh my god.
I'm a fast one. But they all don't know me.
Why do we jump so high? Look, we go all the way up to the roof.
Bro, the roof has popcorn ceiling. The roof is a popcorn ceiling, look.
I do not care. Probably back to their, friends. You staying back a little?
I'm gonna laugh if you die.
Shut up. Stay back a little. Behind you.
Watch this, watch this. Prank him, John.
Boing.
Broke ankles. Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Broke ankle. He's on me.
You're dead. Now watch this. I'm gonna do a juke of the century. Watch, 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 watch.
I'm nowhere near you now.
Juke. Broke ankles.
No, he's coming after me. I want to juke him now. No.
Jesus.
Man had the most malfunction life. Man had a malfunction in his AI system.
Bro, you died just like that? Wow. Me personally, I wouldn't let that slide. My voice.
Come on, man. Come on. Why are you scared, huh?
Who,
Why are
me?
you scared? Come on. Fight me like a man.
Fight me. Fight me, orangutan. Hey, I'm broke. I'm gonna use you for protection.
Yeah, monkey. Yes, sir. Man got juked like that.
Ring around the
Assassin's
rosy.
Creed.
Packets full of posies. Ow, I hit my fan.
Quadruple hit.
Ring around the rosy.
Overkill.
Pockets full of posies. Ashes. Ashes. We all fall down.
Come on, monkey. You gonna get me? Huh? You gonna get me? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Right, that monkey looks mad goofy.
With his 5 fingers. Or should I say 4? Never mind.
Ring around the rosies. Pockets full of posies.
Ow. Oh. Oh, what's wrong, monkey?
Mouse!
Oh, I died.
Same.
It's 55. It's 56.
Oh, boy. I'm gonna start trying to upload this. Sorry guys, this was
Want me to make the outro right now?
Yeah, you make the outro, do the same thing, but this time over here. Alright, I'll tell you.
Remember how it goes.
No, like, you stand over there.
I'll do that, yeah.
And then whenever I tell you, like, pop out like this, because I'm gonna do it at the same time you do it. Alright, so 3, 2, 1, go.
Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And have a great virtual day.
/ life. Yes, sir. You heard the man. Make sure to like and subscribe, or else my voice will keep cracking. But yeah, guys, soon, after Christmas, sometime soon after Christmas next year, I will be getting a PC, and then I'll start recording. I'm getting a PC next year. Well, I'm saving up my money. But yeah, guys, if you want to see me on a PC with my camera and everything, my. But yeah, if y'all want to see me record on my PC next year, or that I'm gonna be saving up for,
next year.
Make sure to get like and subscribe, and say monkeys.
Monkey.
Louder. Good.